All right, how you doing today? Today we'll be hooking up the Synido TempoPAD 16 with Logic Pro, the control panel here. We'll see how this goes. Very simple to do. And I don't know if it's Synido or Synido. I don't know how you pronounce this, whatever. Here's what we do. We open up the software. I'm doing this on a Mac, but the PC, well, obviously it's a Mac. It's Logic Pro. So we change these settings here. We send to device, sent successfully, receive from device. Then we go into Logic. We go into project settings, synchronization right here. Then we open up this and we want to turn on, we go to MIDI and we want to turn on, listen to machine. Play, stop. We can go back, forward, markers. We could open up a record track and record. I'm so used to doing it on the stop there. That's why I'm doing that. But there you go. Problem though, this is in Logic Pro's project settings. So I don't know the way to do it universally if you can. So if you do want to use this feature, I recommend setting this up and then saving it as a template. Or if you have a template, add this to your template, save as a new template to replace your old template, and then it will always be set up to go. Now, the loop mechanism is a little different, but we'll try that in another video because if I do the loop, nothing happens with the loop setting. So anyways, quick tip today, pretty cool unit here. Think about getting one. If you have one, let me know in the comments down below. That is all for now. I will talk to you soon.